Hi everyone, and welcome to the video. So in this first video, what I'm gonna do a task that I need to reset the password. What I did, I just booted the computer, and when I saw the GRUB screen, I pressed the letter E, so that will stop the boot. And you see, I just press again. And what I need to do, where in the line that starts with the letter Linux, I needed to go to the end of the line, so it's easier to come here and go back. And here we need to type something. So we need to type init equal \bin /dash. So init equal /bin /dash, and then you need to do it one of the two things. You can press CTRL+X or F10. I'm gonna press the F10. There we go. So now the next step we need to do it. We need to mount the root file. So I will type mount -o remount with the permissions R and H, so read and write, and it's gonna be on the root file. So I'll press enter. Okay, so now we are ready to reset the password. To reset the password, the command is, of course, passwd. The new password, I'm gonna type it and now retype it. Okay, so we are not done yet. We need to create a file. So the command is gonna be touch dot autorelabel. So autorelabel. Okay, and the last command is exec /bin /init. Okay, so let's press enter and wait for it. Once the process is done, the machine will reboot automatic. You don't need to do anything. Okay, what I missed here. Oh, it's not bin, it's sbin. It's my mistake. I'm sorry about that. So there we go. It's exec /sbin /init. While we are waiting for the machine, as you can see here, I have two VMs. If you're studying for Red Hat certification, I will assume you know how to create a virtual machine. You can just like search for a video on YouTube, or if you want, I can do it a video. Okay, so let me press not listed, and I will try to sign in with the new password. There we go. The password change worked. And to prove that, let me just wait for it. Yeah, it's a little bit slow because I'm using like a small PC. Do you know those little PCs? So if you type chage, I think it's the -t root. No, let me type. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There. Oh, okay. So it's L. So -L. So chage -L. The user it's root. Okay. So as you can see here, the last time we changed the password was today. So the command worked. I'm gonna leave the commands in the description below. If you have any questions, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. This is gonna be a series about Red Hat certification, so I'm studying for the certification. So I'm gonna do it one video for each topic, or I have like 20 exercises for the topics, and I will do it one video for each. And if you guys want to know, I don't know, if you have any questions about something, like any particular topic, of course it's related to the certification. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys next time.